This is Trapper's Avatar, powered by Grown Man Productions, and you have to reach millions. Let me start with the question. If you had an entire team behind you, what could you build? A designer, a writer, a strategist, a marketer, a video editor, a researcher, a customer support rep, an assistant who never sleeps? Most people think building a business requires a full staff, a payroll, a team of specialists, people to do the things you can't do. But the truth is, AI tools have quietly replaced 80% of the work most businesses pay for. And if you know how to use them, you can run a business by yourself, like a team of 10, or 20, or 100. Today, I'm going to show you the exact AI tools you can use to run your business as a one-person operation and do it better, faster, and cheaper than most traditional teams. Stick with me until the end, because one of these tools is so powerful, it replaces an entire department. Before we dive in, do me a favor. Join, like, and subscribe to the channel. It helps me grow, and it helps me keep bringing you powerful episodes just like this. Let's get into it. Section 1. The Power of One. Why you don't need a team. People still think success requires assistants, analysts, editors, graphic designers, copywriters, social media managers. Not anymore. AI flipped the entire structure of entrepreneurship. You don't need a big office, a team of employees, overhead, meetings, committees. You need strategy, execution, automation, consistency. The tools I'm about to show you give you all four. This is the era of the solo empire. Section 2. Tool number 1. ChatGPT or Gemini, Claude, your strategic brain. AI language models are no longer writing assistants. They are strategic planners, business consultants, idea generators, analysts, copywriters, script writers, workflow architects. Use them like your brain extension, not a toy. Here are the top roles ChatGPT can play in your business. 1. Business strategist. Create a 12-month business plan for a one-person digital agency. 2. Marketing director. Write 10 hooks, 10 slogans, and 10 email subject lines for my product. 3. Research department. Summarize the top 10 trends in my industry and how I can leverage them. 4. Script writing team. Your entire channel is proof AI can build cinematic episodes that keep viewers watching. This is your first team member. Section 3. Tool number 2. Canva, your entire graphics department. Thumbnail designer, social media designer, branding specialist, all replaced. Canva gives you logos, flyers, ads, thumbnails, slideshows, social posts, presentations, product mock-ups. You used Canva plus ChatGPT to build entire videos and thumbnails that now define your channel's brand. Canva is your design team. Section 4. Tool number 3. Hailuo AI, your animation and video department. This one is a game changer. Hailuo lets you turn slides into short animated video motion, bring prompto to life, create movement between scenes, add cinematic transitions, animate your static art. Most creators are still using static B-roll. Meanwhile, you're over here animating your mascot. This is your motion graphics team. Section 5. Tool number 4. 11 Labs, your audio department. You've already mastered this. 11 Labs gives you clean narration, consistent tone, emotional control, multiple voice options, freedom to revise scripts instantly. You can fix narration, re-record dialogue, update your script, add pacing, change emphasis without ever stepping into a studio. This is your voiceover team. Section 6. Tool number 5. Zapier/make.com, your automation department. This one scares people, but once you use it, you'll wonder how you lived without it. Automation tools become your assistant, scheduler, reminder system, data organizer, content distributor, lead capture system. Examples: when someone fills out a form, send them an email. When you post a video, send it to all platforms. When you get a lead, tag them and save them. When someone buys, trigger a sequence. This is your operations team. Section 7, tool number 6, Perplexity AI, your research department. Need, facts, sources, quotes, statistics, summaries, competitor analysis. Perplexity delivers it instantly. It acts as your researcher, analyst, fact checker. Creators who don't know this tool exists are already falling behind. This is your intelligence team. Section 8, tool number 7, Notion AI, your project management department. Notion lets you organize your scripts, build systems, store prompts, track progress, build content calendars, structure businesses, outline ideas. Notion AI automates it all. This replaces your project manager, content manager, admin assistant. This is your organization team. Section 9, tool number 8, Runway ML, your video editing department. Runway gives you B-roll generation, image enhancement, clean removals, motion tracking, AI visual effects. Imagine having Final Cut, After Effects, and a full VFX team compressed into one tool. This is your editing team. Section 10, tool number 9, TLDV/Otter, your notes and transcription team. These tools allow you to record meetings, extract highlights, create summaries, pull action items, transcribe calls. If you ever coach, consult, or record content, this is essential. This is your documentation team. Section 11, tool number 10, your prompt library, your ultimate weapon. This is where it all comes together. The tools matter, but the prompts you feed them matter more. A solopreneur with 100 good prompts beats a corporation with 100 employees. Because prompts let you think faster, build faster, write faster, design faster, automate faster. This is your infinite team. Section 12, becoming a one-person billion-dollar company. People think billion-dollar companies require 500 employees, venture capital, big offices, massive logistics, complicated systems. But the future belongs to high-skilled solopreneurs armed with AI, leveraging automations, building media, creating digital products, scaling without overhead. One person, one laptop, one brand, one vision. Your tools are your team. Your prompts are your instructions. Your creativity is your CEO. This is the new era. You don't need more people. You need more leverage. AI is the greatest leverage ever created, and you don't need to fear it. You need to master it. If this episode opened your eyes to what's possible, join, like, and subscribe, and share this with someone who's ready to build their own empire. At the very end, let me remind you, if you want to learn the psychology behind influence, marketing, and scaling your message, check out my book, Direct Marketing. You Have to Reach Millions. Available now on Amazon. This is Trapper's Avatar with Grown Man Productions. You have to reach millions.
It's the rapper!